Hey guys, what's up? It's your Sashi E. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I would love to show you guys how I got these mini twists with cornrows. If you guys are interested in this look, definitely keep on watching. So first things first, you guys, I am going to be separating my hair in two. So the back section is going to be mini twists. The front section is going to be cornrows. So the hair that I'll be using is from Wigs hair. This is their kinky curly hair. It is in the length 26 inches. So I am going to be installing the hair in an uneven manner. As you guys can see, I didn't line it up directly, and that's because when you fold the hair in half, it's about 13 inches, and my hair is a little bit longer than that now. So I did not want my hair to be poking through, which is why you can see that on one side, it's a little bit higher than the other side. But it still works out just fine. It still gave me the look that I want to, so that's no problem. If your hair is shorter than mine, you may be able to get away with just folding it directly in half. But for this style, I did it this way and it worked out just fine for my hair. So as you guys can see, I started with a very small section. I did apply some Shine and Jam to the base, and then I went on to plait first. I just think it's so much neater when I do a plait first. It lays a lot flatter and I absolutely love it. So I plaited about 1 centimeter and then I proceeded to twist. I like to do a rope-like twist because it gives a tighter look to the twist instead of like a loose twist look. So I wanted to point out again that I did not line the hair up equally because of length purposes. So I'm doing the same thing again, you guys, where I'm starting with plaiting at the root, and then I am going to plait for maybe about 1 inch, and then I'm going to do a rope-like twist all the way down. Okay, y'all, so for this section, I am going to be working on the cornrows for my hair. So as far as the designs for this, you guys, I was kind of freestyling, but the most important thing was I tried to do the same thing on the left as I did on the right so that it could be equal and so that it could look even and neat. So for this cornrow, y'all, I cornrowed using my natural hair all the way down. And then once I got to the end of the cornrow, you guys, that's when I added the kinky curly hair. So I just started by plaiting it, as you guys can see, on the end of that cornrow. And then I plaited it down for quite a little bit, maybe about 1 inch or 2. Once I felt as though the kinky curly hair was secured, that is when I started to twist.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 I just can't stop thinking about you.
Alright guys, so I basically did the same braids on the right side as I did on my left side. So now I'm going to go in and do my edges. So I am using the edge tamer from Eben, New York. I also added some got to be glue on the top, y'all. I was trying something out, but it rained that day, so I don't know if this was the best technique. But to be honest, the Eben, New York works just fine, but I was just being extra. So right here, I'm adding the got to be glue, you guys. If you guys know anything about this, generally you got to use a little bit of blow dry action when you add this to your hair. So I added it, and then I just went ahead and used the blow dryer on cool air, and then I went ahead and I just wrapped up my hair, you guys, and I was good to go after that. So these are the final results. If you guys like the hair, definitely check my description box. I have everything linked there for you guys. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.